Tracking employee hours manually? There's a better way. With ABMBooks Timesheets, you can track employee hours, approve timesheets, and send everything directly into Payroll, all in one place. Let's walk through it. First, go to Settings and click on Timesheet Settings. Turn the Timesheets toggle on. Then click Save. Your timesheet feature is now activated. On the same page, you can customize your workweek settings, overtime rules, and other payroll preferences based on your business needs. Once everything is set up, click Save again. Next, navigate to the Time Tracking section. Select an employee from the Employee drop-down menu. Then choose the pay period, weekly or bi-weekly. ABMBooks will automatically generate the timesheet for that period. To enter hours, simply click on any day and type the employee's hours. You can also click the plus button to add more detailed entries or notes. As you enter hours, ABMBooks automatically calculates regular hours, detects overtime, totals all hours instantly. No manual calculations needed. Once the timesheet is complete, go back to time tracking and review the entries. From there, you can approve or reject the timesheet with a single click. The status updates instantly. Once approved, the hours automatically flow into Payroll, making payroll processing faster and more accurate. ABMBooks helps simplify time tracking, payroll, pay stubs, remittances, and more, all designed for Canadian businesses. To learn more, visit abmbooks.com. Track time, pay accurately, grow your business.